Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to add more courses to your community. It can be a free community, paid community, whatever, and it's under memberships, communities, groups, right? So there's like a group. If we go in, over here there's the learning section. You can see now I'm in as an admin. I'll log in as an end user afterwards, but you can see there's courses. You can add one more, and essentially the idea is that if they have access to the course, they'll just be able to open it. If they don't have access to it, if they haven't purchased it, they'll be able to buy it from here. So it's all kind of in one place, and you have a chance to upsell without sending people to any further down some rabbit holes. It's just all here in one place, right? It's a good opportunity to upsell digital products. So yeah, as I mentioned before, I'm logged in as an admin. So when I find the community group, I can just click on login, then it takes me in, and we can click on here, add course. And this is a product under courses. Let's click on, just select, this is the last one that's not added. And over here, you can pick the subscription type, obviously. In this case, if it's free, you can just give it for free, right? People sign up for the community. And, one of the things to entice them to sign up, right, in this community is like a free guide, free course, whatever. But in this case, it's going to be a one-time payment. And let's just say, I don't know, $47. I don't remember what the previous pricing was for this mock product, currency USD, no trial because it's a one-time. Let's put it in test mode, although it doesn't matter. We're not going to do the test purchase. So let's do add course. So now you can see it's here. I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log in as an end user with a different email address. So I'm going to log out. Okay, now I'm logged back in as a different user. You can see there's a different icon. And over here, if we click on learning, now you can see I have access to these courses, right? But this one I don't have access to, so I have a chance to buy it now over here. Over here. I don't know, it's glitching out a little bit, but some sort of a glitch worked fine before. But basically, once you click on it, I can click on here, buy course, and it takes them immediately to the checkout form, right? So it's simple as that. No fancy funnels, nothing like that. Immediately click on here, buy course, and that's it. So yeah, make sure to go check that out. It's definitely a good feature if you're utilizing the community, like you have your own group within Funneltopia, which is a good alternative to Facebook groups. Definitely make sure to utilize it. It just makes it easier to sell digital products to your people, right? And if you have any questions, make sure to, one second, let me go here. Ask us here, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And also for VIP clients, there's like a VIP call booking option over here. I'm not on this account. I'm not a VIP client, but if you are, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's going to be here, so you can book a call if there's like more than one or two questions. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.